Hey guys, welcome back again to Clara's Corner. In this week's video, I'll be showing you how to make a simple but amazing moisturizing and anti-aging body cream. This cream does not leave greasy effects on your skin, rather it makes your skin highly hydrated, moisturized all day. If you want to see how I made this cream, keep watching. So the first ingredient I have here is emulsifying wax, popularly known as Ewax. Ewax is what allows water and oil to mix together to form lotion. This is the first ingredient I have here. The next one is stearic acid. Stearic acid does the same work as Ewax but is also a thickener. Stearic acid will be a thickener in this formulation. The next is the butters. I have three butters in here. I have shea butter, cocoa butter, and mango butter. I'm going to be combining these three butters to give a very high effect of moisturizing in this lotion. So these butters will be combined together in making this lotion. The next is oils. The oils I have here are grapeseed oil and argan oil. I combine two of them in this bottle and I'm going to use them in making this lotion. These oils have very high benefits on the skin. So guys, these are my oil phase ingredients. I'm going to be combining this oil phase ingredients into a glass jar and go ahead to double boil on a double boiler in a low heat. So I'll be going to heat them up and melt all of them together in a glass jar. So guys, all the ingredients and the measurements will be right in the description area of this video. If you need it, you can go ahead, check in the description area and get the ingredients and the measurements. And please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like my video, share my video to whoever needs it, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell for more videos. So here is to double boil the oil phase ingredients to melt all of them together. The next is to prep the water phase ingredients. Water phase ingredients I have here is distilled water. You have to use a very sterilized, clean water to make your cream. You don't want to use an infected water or an unclean water to make your cream. That is a no-no. So what I have here is distilled water. I'm going to be pouring into this glass jar. After pouring, I add other water phase ingredients. What I have here is vegetable glycerine. Vegetable glycerine is a humectant. It locks in moisture to the skin. So I'm going to be adding it into the water and heat both of them together on a double boiler for both of them, both the oil phase and the water phase, to be in the same temperature. The oil phase is properly melted. I'm going to remove and add the water phase to heat it up to be in the same temperature with the oil phase. They are both heated and they are in the same temperature. So the next thing to do is to start making our cream. So I'll be using another bowl here and start mixing these two combination together to form our lotion. Once these two are added together, a reaction is going to take place. The Ewax in this mixture is going to emulsify both oil and water to be in the same page. They are going to form the lotion and there shouldn't be separation of oil from water. they are going to come together and form the lotion. You can see how the mixture has combined in the video. I'll be stirring this mixture for it to cool down a bit, not very cool, but very low in heat. I'll be stirring this mixture continuously until it starts to thicken up. As it's getting cooler, it's beginning to thicken up, and the cream is going to thicken up quite well because it contains different butters and stearic acid. This stearic acid and the butters in this lotion will make it to be very thick. You can see in the video that the cream has become very thick. Just look how thick it has become. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to move into our next process. The next process here is to get our anti-aging ingredient, which is the vitamin B3, also known as niacinamide. Vitamin B3 has a very high anti-aging property and also a moisturizing property. That is the main ingredient I will be using to make this cream. So we'll be adding it into the cream by dissolving it first. I'll be dissolving it with warm distilled water. After dissolving it very well, I'm going to be adding it into the cream and move on to the next process. The vitamin B3 has completely dissolved. I'm going to be adding into the cream. Then use my stick blender this time. Use the stick blender to blend the cream, mix it up very well for it to combine well. Yeah, guys, I've already done this. My camera went off while I started mixing. So the cream has fully combined with my stick blender. It is properly combined now. So I'll be moving on to the last phase of making this cream, which is the cool down phase. Like I told you guys earlier on, making cream has three phases. You have the oil phase. The first time I started making, I showed you the oil phase. You have the water phase, and you also have the cool down phase. The cool down phase is the last stage of making your cream. The cool down phase is where you add the last ingredients that need to be added into the cream before you complete the process. Guys, you can see how beautiful the cream we made is looking. It's already looking lush, so beautiful. So we are going to get to the next stage and complete the process of this cream. So what I have here is vitamin E oil. I can use vitamin E oil. I can also use vitamin E capsule. In this video, I intend to use vitamin E capsule. I'm going to pierce with a pin to get the oil from the capsule into this cream. The next one I have here is essential oil. Essential oil I have here is sweet orange essential oil. This oil is going to add fragrance into our lotion. The next one is preservative. The preservative I have here is Germal Plus. Is this preservative is going to make our cream to last as long as it should. So these are the cool down phase ingredients. After adding these ingredients, we are done making this cream. So this cream will be ready after we must have added the essential oil, the vitamin E oil, and the preservative. After this stage, we are done making this cream and the cream is ready to be used. This particular cream can be used by adults and also children. Anybody, any color, any skin type can use this particular cream, and it will just moisturize your skin and make your skin supple and make your skin retain its moisture. This is a basic natural cream that doesn't contain any chemical in it. The ingredients used to make this cream are just natural ingredients, and none of them contains harsh chemicals that can hurt your skin. So guys, this cream is what every skin needs. It's this cream that can moisturize your skin, glow your skin, and make you look so natural without bleaching your skin. It's a go-to cream. Adults can use it, children can use it, any color can use it, any skin type can use it. It's a go-to cream. So if you'll be interested in making this cream, please check the description box. Make this cream for yourself and for your family. The ingredients can be gotten from organic shop where they sell ingredients for cream making and all of that. So you can as well make this cream for yourself to cut costs in your home and also to start a skincare business. You can go ahead, make this cream for your family, for friends, for anyone that cares for it. So guys, thank you. You can see how supple the cream is on the skin. Thank you for watching. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching and God bless you all. See you in my next video. Bye.